Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am delivering my 10th lecture for English literature from the book OPE. Your unit number is 3, lesson number is 1. Students, this is your unit number 3. Send me an email. Read the story and answer the question. Your part 1 is literature. Mr. Burki is in a town in Nepal. Mr. B. Do you live here? Man. No, I'm sorry, I don't. Mr. B. Oh, I'm looking for an internet cafe. I need to send an email. Man. There is one close by. Do you see that bus at the bus stop? The internet cafe is just opposite the bus stop. I'm going that way. I'll show you. Mr. B. Thank you very much. Man. Where are you from? Mr. B. I'm from Pakistan, from Karachi. Man. Really? So am I. Which part of Karachi are you from? Mr. B. I live in Clifton. Man. How funny. I once lived there too. Now students, we have read the story. Now these are the question answers from the story. Send me an email. We have only 3 question answers over here. Number 1 is, what kind of place is Mr. B looking for? Answer number 1, he is looking for an internet cafe. Question number 2, where is the man from? Answer number 2, he is from Karachi. Question number 3, do Mr. B and the man live in the same part of Karachi now? And the last answer is answer number 3, no, the man does not live in the same part now.